In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Top Echelon with your ATS quickly and easily. Whether you're new to Top Echelon or just looking to optimize your recruitment process, this guide will walk you through the essential steps for a seamless integration. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to connect Top Echelon with your ATS, automate key processes, and improve your recruitment workflow. Plus, you can start using Top Echelon for free through the link below, along with some exclusive bonuses. Stick around because I'll be sharing tips you won't want to miss. First things first, let's talk about why integrating Top Echelon with your ATS is such a powerful move. By syncing your ATS with Top Echelon, you get access to a network of recruiters and job candidates without having to leave your system. This means more streamlined communication, faster hires, and less manual data entry. Who wouldn't want that? Now, let's dive into the process. The integration process starts with ensuring that your ATS is compatible with Top Echelon. The good news is that Top Echelon offers integrations with popular systems like Bullhorn, JobDiva, and others. You'll want to check with your ATS provider to ensure that the integration is available. Most of the time, it's as simple as downloading an integration plugin or app from Top Echelon's website. Once you've confirmed compatibility, it's time to set things up. The first step is logging into your Top Echelon account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up using the link below for an extended free trial. After logging in, navigate to the Integrations tab in your account settings. From there, you'll see a list of ATS systems you can connect with. Select your ATS and follow the on-screen instructions. Typically, this involves entering your ATS API key, which you can get from your ATS dashboard. This key allows Top Echelon to securely access your ATS data and sync the two systems. If you're unsure where to find your API key, you can consult your ATS help section or contact their support team. Once you've entered the API key, click Connect and Top Echelon will start syncing your ATS data. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on the amount of data you have. During this time, you'll be able to track the integration progress directly within your Top Echelon dashboard. With the integration complete, you'll see job candidates, placements, and recruiting activities from your ATS appear directly in Top Echelon. This eliminates the need for duplicate data entry and allows you to manage everything from one central hub. What's even better is that Top Echelon helps you automate many of your recruitment processes once it's integrated. You can set up automated candidate matching, job posting, and even follow-up emails, saving you time and making your team more efficient. It's a game changer when it comes to streamlining your hiring workflows. Now, let's talk about some tips to get the most out of this integration. One of the key features is the ability to track communication across both platforms. Top Echelon will automatically sync messages, candidate updates, and activities, giving you a comprehensive overview of every step in the hiring process. Additionally, don't forget to take advantage of Top Echelon's reporting features. After integration, you can generate reports that show the effectiveness of your recruitment efforts, such as how quickly candidates are moving through your ATS pipeline and how well your team is performing. To recap, integrating Top Echelon with your ATS is a straightforward process that helps you streamline communication, automate processes, and enhance the efficiency of your recruitment efforts. And remember, you can start using this software for free from the link below, where you'll also get exclusive bonuses to make your experience even better. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to take advantage of the extended free trial offer, only available through the link in the description.